Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to duplicate estimates in Wave. Duplicating an estimate in Wave is a time-saving feature that helps you to reuse similar estimates, and here's how to go about that. Now, from the estimates page, you want to find the estimate that you want to duplicate and then click on it to open it. And in the estimate view, just click on the More button, usually represented by 3 dots. Just click that button that's on the top right corner. And then you're going to select Duplicate Estimates from the drop-down menu. Now, Wave will create an exact copy of the estimate, including the customer and item details. You can now make any necessary changes to the duplicated estimates. You could modify the pricing or add new items or whatever it is you need to do before saving or sending it to the customer. Duplicating estimates makes it much easier to create similar quotes for different clients without having to start from scratch every time. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.